हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो फ्रेंड्स, हम अपने आज के इस वीडियो में देखेंगे कि फिल सीरीज़ क्या होता है, इसे हम कैसे यूज़ करते हैं और इसके बेनिफिट्स क्या क्या हो सकते हैं। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। तो चलिए इसे हम एक एग्जांपल के थ्रू समझते हैं। आई हैव रिटन हियर वन and at the right bottom you can see the little bit dot. This will represent the fill series option and we also called it fill handler. You just need to drag your mouse and click on this icon autofill option and click on the fill series. Without typing, it's become possible by using the fill handler. This is the shortcut way. If you want to know how to insert it from the ribbon, just you need to type here one and select that cell, go to the home tab and the editing section, need to click on fill and you can use these options. So how to apply this? You need to select the range where you want to apply it, go to the fill and click on the series. The dialog box will appear in front of you. You just need to select all the option by default and click OK. And so this is the fill series option that we can use from the ribbon tab. And this is the sequential number, and if you want the alternative number like 1, 3 and 5, and if you want the number in this manner, you just need to drag it. See, the data is becomes in a alternative manner. 1, 3, 5, 7, 8. 8 is missing, 9, 11, 13. So this is the sequential number. And this is the alternative number. If you want to use the shortcut command, what I need to do, write 1 here and select your range, go to your keyboard and press Alt E I S OK. So guys, this is the shortcut way to enter the sequential number in the Excel by using the fill series. So next we will see how to work with formatting using the fill series. Let's suppose I have written here Monday and let's suppose you want week name. You just need to drag it like this and you will get all the week names. Let's suppose if you want formatting in the header section and not in the dragging section, you just need to click on that icon and select fill without formatting. So formatting will gone away and the data will here and simple. If you want to formatting but not data, you just need to drag it, go to the fill handler and you need to click on fill without fill formatting only. Let's suppose you want week name but not the weekend name. So what I need to do, you just need to drag it. And if you don't want Saturday and Sunday here, you need to go this fill series and go to the fill weekdays only. So the Saturday and Sunday gone away from here. So this is all about the fill series. I hope you like this and enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button, and please press the bell icon to get update my latest videos. Do the comment. Thank you so much.